What's going on, YouTube? So in this next video, we're doing a live trading. I actually recorded my team a couple days ago while we was trading on high frequency forex. If you've seen any of my videos on pocket options, if you've seen any of my videos on Quotex, this is what we do. One of the many things we do, but high frequency trading is making your money in between 1 to 3 minutes, and you guys get to see it live. So anytime you hear somebody say cleared, that means we cleared the trade, we made money. And this is just us vibing, relaxing, telling jokes, talking mess about each other. It's not robotic. We try to keep it fun, play music, all that good stuff. So you guys get a real chance to see how we really trade. For the people that's watching this, if you were all anytime interested in trading or joining the team, you get to actually get a sneak peek on the atmosphere. I'm making these videos because, of course, I'm building my team. I want you guys to join me on my team. I'm building a nationwide team, and I want more and more people to help more and more people. And the more people we get in the business, the more we can expand, the more minds, more skill sets, more talented people we get. We can all collectively grow together. The people that you see in this call, we're all made a decision to pay, join, and learn and grow together. A lot of people said the price was too high, so guess what? We discounted the price. A lot of people said they didn't have the money, so you know what? We did a free 3-day trial. If you want the information on the discount, if you want the information on the 3-day trial, DM me, email me, however you need to get to me is at MERCERMILLIONS everywhere. We try to eliminate all of the obstacles to help you guys join and build. So I'm making this because I want to build with you, and I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek, and we're going to go ahead and get right into it.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I want to have a virtual dance party with y'all. How can we do that?
Do it! Turn your cameras on. We do it right now. Okay. Okay. We're going to take an intermission after we clear this EU trade. Then we'll take
right. The excitement for me.
Okay. We're doing a giveaway tonight, too, for the people who tag us on Instagram. Sean, Ellie, drop your Instagrams. For the person who goes the hardest on Instagram with the tags, we're doing a one-on-one mentorship with an elite HFX trader. Hold up. I ain't going to say no name, just know. Just know. You know. Clear! Clear. What y'all mean y'all clear?
I didn't even put in the trade.
He got the face of a go live confusion.
Yeah, he's like, what clear? What that mean?
No,
we appreciate your attendance.
I mean, I'm trading, but I'm just working on something else.
Not with the calls you gave.
Multitasker.
Oh, just wrong.
Clear. Give me my cell on UJ. Freeze. I need my cell. 13 seconds. If we get a cell candle, I'm taking the cell. 8 seconds. 7, 5.
Are these 2 minutes or 3 minutes?
I'm going to kick you off my call.
3 minutes.
Don't kick me out. I'm going to just come back. I'm going to get down on my computer, so you might as well.
These are 3-minute trades. Yo, why is this not giving me a sell? I'm so angry.
Like, I don't think there's news, is there?
I don't think so. Why didn't see any?
No.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back to CHFTPY.
They got news at 10, but it's not any of these pairs. CNY.
Weird.
So we should be good.
Yo, give me some artists to quit in the chat. I'm only playing clean music, so don't say nothing crazy. Hold on, y'all. We're just playing right now until we get the right setup. We don't force setups. We don't force trades. If it's not there, it's just not there. We have fun. We open to questions. You can ask us anything. We are here to help. Now we only say congratulations.
I was looking at EJ. It called out for a put, but it already made his move. So I'm thinking if it comes to that resistance where it wicked out on a previous candle, it could potentially go back up for a call within the next minute and a half.
EJ.
Pull up that EJ. Make it EJ.
Let's make it clap. Let's make it clap. Hey, hey.
I didn't know that you had some jerk chicken today, because that's some jerk chicken vibes. You getting off, Rhonda?
Well, that means something totally different in America, bro.
Oh, what? Okay. I'm not even going to comment.
Just don't do it. Wait a minute.
What is the reason? What? I think we got a potential buy coming in. I'm
On EJ?
gonna let you on CHFJPY. I'm gonna pull up EJ in a minute.
That's good. Yo, somebody could just buy out the group. Somebody put him out the chat.
The bad bunny.
Yeah. Get this guy. Get him out of here.
Trying to pull up. Can you pull up USDJPY?
They so disloyal, show them how to ball. Go get a thermometer for the pot. I need this big cook right.
It's calling out a call. The currency strength is showing that the US dollar is still stronger than the JPY. So this could potentially turn around within the next like 4 or 5 seconds to show confirmation for that call. They still calling the call. So I'm thinking to take this trade now on your USDJPY.
Let it see.
It's calling it at 868.
I'm calling that cell all the way over here.
Damn, it made a move. 868. I'm gonna take it down. I just took it at 867 for a 3-minute call at 868.
I ain't investing in this Diego. Because I got this down here pointing down, this pointing up, and I'm seeing this drop. Like, what is going on? We got all this wick up top, all these red candles. I'm like, what is going on with this? And we didn't have any news, huh? No.
Just CNY at 10, but that shouldn't affect these unless it's something else we know about.
Right now, USDJPY is already pushing up to the upside, so it's going. I'm in profit.
Either the products work, y'all.
I'm deep in profit.
Everybody who's on this call, if you get down with us, if you join this family, not just a team, this is a family. These people show me more love than people I grew up with my whole life. If you join this family, you don't have to go crazy like I did. That's just a choice that I made. Because what I noticed was that this is a vehicle to fund the dreams that I've had since I was a little kid to go big in music. But I had the best, I know people that work with Warner Chappell record labels. I know people, before I knew J-Mo, I already knew people working with Kendrick Lamar. I already met Kendrick Lamar. I met a lot of people. I know Pharrell's brother. I got his phone number. I call him right now. But guess what? If you don't have money, you can't go to the studio. They told me you the dopest artist, bro, that I've ever met. But you ain't got money, bro. So we can't work with you. So I had to do something different because my 9-to-5 wasn't paying it. So $235 to start, that gets you the basic academy for foreign exchange. I didn't know how to trade on a chart. I had never looked at a chart. I never did stocks. I didn't know anything. All I knew was that I needed something different. I didn't know that. So I shelled out the $235. Looking back 7 months later, I'm not even tripping. Honestly, it's the best money I ever spent in my life. J-Mo, you got it, bro.
Okay, so look, we got a couple minutes left, right? So you guys are here with me right now.
You guys are giving me the most valuable thing that you have. The most valuable thing you have right now is your time. And you are giving it to us, and we appreciate that greatly. My job, when I talk to anybody about this business, I want to make sure you leave with value. Even if you decide not to sign up, that's cool. At the end of the day, we still gonna build, we still gonna win, and you might circle back around later. You know what I'm saying? But I want to make sure you leave with some value. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna let you know how this business brought value to my life. I'm currently in the military. A lot of you guys have jobs, and it's cool. I support that. Get your money. I have a job as well. I work 40 plus hours a week. If you don't, hold on. If you don't believe me, do you see this? I am full-time military. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, you might have a job and you can use the extra income. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can use extra income. You might have a hustle and you can use some extra income. I got a hustle as well. I got plenty of hustles. I do graphic design. I do videos. I still do one-on-one coaching for marketing. And I'm able to squeeze this into my life. You know what I'm saying? With any entrepreneurship or any journey in your life, you need mentorship, right? You need a coach. You need some guidance. Guess what? You got that. This is the value. You know what I'm saying? You got coaches, you got mentors, you got people to look up to. You got people that's ranked above you and people that's ranked below you that's all on the same life journey as you. Everybody that's on this call right now is on the same life journey as you. They're even trying to figure it out. They're trying to get out of a situation, or they're just trying to level up or add a new income to their life. But at the end of the day, we are all here to find financial freedom. We all want support. I'm gonna give you value. This is the value. You got support with us. Support, 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 support. You can't do nothing without support. You can't do nothing without somebody having your back. You might have had friends and family members that hated on you at some point in life. You might have had people that you felt like that was your best friend that did something janky to you, stole money from you, hated on your business, didn't show up to one of your events. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in this circle is here to help you build, to help you grow, to stay motivated. You know what I mean? It is a value. It is of a high value to be a part of this group. Are you paying your money? Awesome. Yes, you're invested in yourself. But what I do want to let you know, this is probably going to be one of the best investments you ever made, because you're going to have a new circle, a new team, and you're going to be getting value. Value, 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 value. Anytime you come across my page, anytime you come across people that are representing MMO or Forex, we are trying to give you value.